see again, in this, there are different types of acquired immunity. Natural, active acquired immunity, artificial, active acquired immunity, natural, passive acquired immunity, artificial, passive acquired immunity. So there are 4 different types. Under acquired immunity, one is active and another one is passive. So under active, again natural and artificial. Under passive, again natural and artificial. Okay, so passive immunity means as such we are getting antibodies directly. Okay, here active immunity means again we are inducing the system. So we are getting antigens and our immune system is recognizing that antigen and provoking the immune system. That's it. So here how we are getting passive immunity naturally and artificially, let us see first. So natural passive immunity, natural passive acquired immunity, for example, we can say human milk, breast milk. So it is having antibody. One example. And one more, if you take IgG, it can cross placenta. Directly the fetus is getting the antibodies. So this is called as natural passive immunity. And artificial passive acquired immunity means like snake venom. If you take snake venom, snake bite or scorpion bite, anything. Here this venom is again having antigen. So during snake bite, that delivers the antigen inside the blood. Okay, and again for that immediately, because that will take time for this acquired immunity, because it should recognize the antigen and again it should produce antibodies. For that the time will that is we take time. For that directly we can that is inject, direct injection of this antibodies will save the person. Okay, and again here if you come to active immunity, naturally we are getting some infections. So our immune system, T or B cells, will act against that. That is called as natural active acquired immunity. Artificial means, for example, now for COVID we got vaccines. Immunization, this is called as immunization. And so many diseases have been eradicated with the help of this vaccination or immunization. Smallpox, chickenpox, polio. Okay, and again, we are provoking that is artificially, we are inducing the immune system to produce and memorize the antigen. So if it is infecting for the second time, easily that will elicit the immune response. So these are the differences among the acquired immunity: natural active acquired immunity, artificial active acquired immunity, natural passive acquired immunity, and artificial passive acquired immunity. So what do you mean by acquired? We are getting in the middle of our life. That's it.